Hi there, I hope you guys are doing great. Today I am going to show you how you can create a stunning shooting web banner design within just few minutes using Photoshop. Today I will show you how I created this web banner within just few minutes using a few free images from website and clients photo products which I used here. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's check our brief where the client said what to do in this web banner. So we can see that we have to use 1600 by 600 pixels dimension, and client also provided some text and some images. I already created this banner for our client, so I have the images ready and backgrounds are also removed. But if you want to learn how to remove any background with Photoshop, please comment below so I can create a new video for you. So let's jump into our Photoshop and create a new artboard. We have to take 1600 by 600 in size. As this is a very tiny web size, so we will increase the size from image. We are making this 2600 now, which was 1600. Later we will export the file in the right size, so no worries on that. Our artboard is created. Now we have to take a few images which we will use for the background. So we are going to freepik.com. It's a free website where you can search millions of images to use. You can use them for commercially, uh, or if you take their subscription, then you can download up to 100 images per day. Please note that this is not a promotional video. I didn't get any money from them, so I just use them and it's good. That's why I'm sharing with you. Today I'm using this image from freepik.com. You can also use Adobe Stock, Shutterstock and Dreamstime. Also there are many other websites. I'm just copying them, but you can also download in different formats, different file size, but I don't need them. I just want to take copy the image from here. Our image copy is done. I'm just hitting Ctrl plus V to paste the image. Also I am making this image to smart object. Then I will hit Ctrl plus T to uh, open transformation tool, and then right click to flip horizontally. Now I'm creating a new adjustment layer, new solid layer with color black to match our image background. So now you can see we have already a good background where we can put our product images. So let's find our product images. As the client already provided product image, so I am putting them here. Here is our product images. We will fix the background and other things in a moment. I am taking a new solid layer with the same color we just took earlier, which is not the black but just a little amount of navy blue. We will hit the G from keyword to open gradient tool, which is G, and I am removing some part of black shape from the background. Now our product is much more visible. Now we will take another image from freepik.com by searching black background, black texture or black background. Both are fine. I am writing black texture to get this type of images. We will select only photo, and I think this image looks good for me. No worries on this yellow colors, we will change that shortly. I am putting this image on top of the our main image, so you can see it will look like this. I'm also making this smart object so we don't have to lose our quality of the image. Now I'm creating I'm adding a layer mask, then I'm hitting G from my keyboard, and then I'm just dragging the layer from right to left side, so we have a nice textured background here. Now I'm creating a hue saturation layer on top of this image to make this golden texture to match our blue. So as you can see, now it's almost matched, but there it has more light than this area. We have to make it all very dark blue. I am decreasing this lightness from here. Now you can see the texture, but also you can see the uh, it's not so much bright, right? Okay, we are 50% done now. Now we have to create our text. So on the brief, client provided us some text which I'm going to use now. I'm just copying and paste this text here. We have to change our font as this doesn't look so good, so we will use a font called Airstrike. This font name is Airstrike, and this is a free font which you can use. I am dragging this layer to on the top, so we have this layer on top and it's visible. Now I am hitting Alt key and dragging the layer, so we have duplicate this layer and making this word as big as possible. I am more focusing on this text so people can easily understand what this banner is for. The clients are selling this compensator, so we are focusing on this word compensate. We will use a red text to make it more visible and change the text variation to airstrike laser. As you can see, there's something nice happening here. We have another text which we gonna use in a different font. As this is not very important text, more than it just a tagline, so we will use Poppins font. This is also a free font on Google. We are changing the word a bit so it may fit better here. I'm aligning the text to make it more natural and good. We have text and we have to put the logos. As you can see, client added some logo names which I already downloaded here. I have the logos here and I'm just dragging them. So it's perfectly matched. At last we need some sort of button which is a call to action button. We have to, and the call to action button is get compensed. We are copying this text and paste here. We have to make it a bit smaller so it fits better and looks good. Also, we will make the button color is red so people can understand it's very important. As you can see, we are almost done. Now we have to manage the layer properly. We will group them by category so you don't have to worry about anything. As you can see, these texts are a group and the button is a different group and the logo is a different group. You can name them, and now the last thing is we have to save it. You can press Ctrl S to save it on your computer. As I have the banner already made, so I'm not saving it anyway. So this was our first video. I know I am not very good in English, but I tried to explain it as much as I can. I hope I will improve myself for future videos and you guys will support me from my beginning of this journey. Goodbye.